Good evening, one and all. Myself, Pratyaksha. I am studying first year MBBS in Siddhartha Medical College. I am from the Hippocrates house, and my house captain is Sangeeta. Now we are going to explain about the folding of the embryo. Folding of the embryo is a major event occurring in the embryonic period. Embryonic period is starting from the 4th week to the 8th week of the development. Now the major changes in the embryonic period are folding of embryo, differentiation of ectoderm, differentiation of mesoderm, and the differentiation of endoderm. Now we are talking about the folding of embryo. Initially the embryonic disc is flat, and later due to the folding of the embryo, the embryonic disc is slightly curved and becomes tubular in shape. Okay. The folding of embryo is formed due to the rapid elongation of the embryonic disc in the central part and the rapid growth of somites. The peripheral part of the embryonic disc develops slowly. There are three types of folds. One is caudal fold, cranial fold, and the lateral folds. The caudal and cranial folds occur in the median plane. The lateral folds occur in the transverse plane. The caudal and cranial folds are formed due to the rapid elongation of the central part of the embryonic disc, and due to the rapid growth of somites, the lateral folds are formed. Okay. Initially the caudal and cranial ends are in close proximity to each other. Later, due to the enlargement of the embryonic disc in the central region, the embryonic disc bulges outward. It helps in the invasion of the egg sac into the amniotic cavity. This results in the formation of the primary gut. The primary gut is divided into three parts. The part caudal to the communication is called as hindgut, and the part cranial to the communication is called as foregut, and the part which is formed in between is called as midgut. The midgut is formed due to the foldings of the lateral foldings. The primitive gut is lined by the endoderm. Okay. The connecting stalk is formed by the umbilical cord of the growing embryonic disc. Okay. It is an extra embryonic mesoderm form the connecting stalk. The trophoblast and the tissues, the trophoblast and the surrounding tissues of the uterus together form an important organ called the placenta. Placenta helps in the exchange of nutrients or gases between the mother and the fetus. After the formation of the fold, the important structures are pericardial cavity, which is situated here, and the septum transversum, which is situated beside the pericardial cavity, and neural tube and notochord, which are situated above the primitive gut, and the primitive streak, which is situated dorsal to the hindgut.
Good evening everyone, my name is Sudhira. I am from Hippocrates house, and today my topic is allantoid diverticula. Allantoid diverticula arises from the caudal end of the yolk sac before the tail fold. After the tail fold, a part of it is absorbed into the hindgut, where it forms urinary bladder, and the remaining part of it forms urachus, which is a solid tube-like structure which extends between urinary bladder and umbilical cord. Structures from cranial end to caudal end of embryonic disc are septum transversum, developing pericardial cavity with heart, procaudal plate, neural plate, primitive streak, and cloacal membrane. Septum transversum is a cranial most part of embryonic disc, but after the foldings of the embryo, it becomes caudal to the pericardial cavity. And the diaphragm and liver develop in relation with this structure. Pericardial cavity enlarges, which is very conspicuous bulging. Neural tube bulges to form brain in later stages. Between these two bulgings, neural bulging and pericardial bulging, depression is seen called stomatodrome. Procaudal plate forms buccopharyngeal membrane which covers the foregut initially. When the membrane is broken, foregut communicates with the amniotic cavity so that amniotic fluid can enter the foregut. And finally, at the end of this folding of embryo, rudiments of brain, that is nervous system, heart and gut can be seen. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this wonderful opportunity.